Now we are going to see this domestic Electrolux refrigeration system or three fluid system. You can see this three fluid system here, and the image of this system is here. This Electrolux refrigeration system does not require a pump. So in this refrigeration system it contains generator, the system contains generator, then heat exchanger, this is the extra part, then absorber, then this is evaporator, condenser, and the water separator, which can be rectifier and analyzer. Okay. Look guys, in this system what you are seeing here, this is stresses of ammonia and water which is being pumped by this generator to the condenser. So what is happening here, here we are using water as a solvent and NH3 ammonia as a refrigerant. We are using NH3 as a refrigerant. Here what happens, absorber, this generator produces the ammonia plus water, high ammonia plus water. We will take this theoretical first, then I will explain this from this diagram here. So here we goes to read this domestic Electrolux refrigeration system, which is also known as NH3H2 refrigeration system. The three fluid in this system are ammonia, hydrogen and water. Ammonia is used as a refrigerant. Hydrogen is used to increase the rate of evaporation of liquid ammonia. The water is used as a solvent for ammonia, and ammonia is used as a refrigerant here. Then working principle, the strong ammonia water solution from absorbent is heated in generator by using heat. By heating and high pressure ammonia vapor are created, which are passed to the condenser. A rectifier fitted before condenser to remove water from the ammonia vapor. The dry ammonia vapor are condensed in a condenser. The liquid refrigerant leaving condenser flows to evaporator where it meets the hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas increases rate of evaporation of liquid ammonia. During this process of evaporation, the ammonia absorbs latent heat of evaporation from the evaporator and produces the cooling effect. Then the mixture of ammonia vapor and hydrogen is passed to the absorber where ammonia is absorbed in water while hydrogen flows back to the evaporator. Note here, in Electrolux refrigeration system does not require pump, so it reduces the amount of power input. The flow of working fluid takes place by gravity itself. No expansion valve is used. So here we go on this diagram. So here what happens, we are starting from the generator and we will end on the generator itself. Here from the generator what happens is ammonia plus water, highly concentrated ammonia plus water vapor are available here. This ammonia plus water is passing to the water separator here. At this point water is get to be separated and only high pressure ammonia vapor is passed to the condenser. In condenser, the temperature of this high pressure ammonia vapor is reduce, and this ammonia vapor is converted to liquid one. This liquid ammonia is passed to the evaporator here. Along this we are passing the hydrogen gas H2 here to the ammonia, because hydrogen enhances the process of evaporation of ammonia, so that more heat is absorbed from the evaporator, producing the more cooling effect, and that's why the efficiency of system increases. So H2 is not taken directly part in the absorption of heat, it just enhances the capacity of ammonia to absorb heat from the evaporator. Now this ammonia plus hydrogen solution is then passed from the evaporator to the absorber. In absorber what happens, this H2 is get separated and it is again passed to the evaporator for the next cycle. Then this ammonia solution is this weak ammonia solution then in absorber what happens, the weak ammonia solution which is coming here from generator, this weak ammonia solution is coming in the absorber, it mixes with this ammonia vapor and becomes strong. This strong ammonia strong NH3 H2O is again passed to the generator. Here this is heat exchanger is uses just to remove just to reduce the work of heater. This working is not expected here, for your understanding purpose I am telling you what happened guys. Here after heating this strong solution coming out from this line, this strong solution it get heated, and because of this heating the ammonia along with the vapors are moving to the upward side. So this weak solution is already having much heat. So when it passes through this heat exchanger, this high heated weak solution passes its heat to this strong solution, so that when this strong solution is moves to that generator, it is already heated, so that the heat supply by heating coil or fuel is less, then it uses less heat to evaporate and produce the high pressure, produce the strong ammonia water solution there. So this is simple one, this is just for the increase the performance or to reduce the input given to the generator. For reducing purpose we are using the heat exchanger here. Now it's time to show you the how the actual Electrolux refrigeration system works.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to discuss the ammonia hydrogen Electrolux refrigeration system. So if you want to see more videos on refrigeration and air conditioning, you can subscribe to my channel. Let us begin. This is the simple diagram representing the Electrolux refrigeration system. The components here are the generator, rectifier, condenser, evaporator and absorber. Ammonia is used as a refrigerant because it possesses most desirable properties. Hydrogen used as to increase the evaporation rate of ammonia, as it is the lightest gas present, and water is used as a absorbent because it has the ability to absorb ammonia readily. So now let us begin with the process. A strong solution of H2O and NH3 solution is supplied heat. Here you can see in the generator from the gas burner, heat is supplied to H2O NH3 strong solution, and due to the difference in the boiling point of the two, the ammonia becomes vapor. Ammonia becomes vapor and rises to the condenser, ammonia vapors. This rectifier checks that only ammonia vapors reaches the condenser, and the leftover weak solution is again recirculated in the cycle. Now from the condenser. This condenser is a gravity condenser. It moves to the evaporator, where the liquid ammonia is mixed with hydrogen. Now the hydrogen will make the evaporation rate faster, and ammonia and hydrogen solution will enter the absorber. In the absorber there will be water present there, so water and NH3 will combine together and hydrogen will be separated out and will be again recirculated in the cycle, and a strong solution will go pass through the absorber and again go to the generator, and from the generator again the weak solution will be recirculated in the absorber, as I have said earlier, and the whole process will go on this way. Hope you have learned the cycle. If you want more videos on refrigeration and air conditioning, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
So I hope you are getting this concept of this Electrolux refrigeration system.